Hey there, hackers. There was a death. That's right. Windows 7. Windows 7. But is it really dead? Actually, you can save it for free. Let's go ahead, get started. Okie dokie. I created a USB drive with Windows 10 1809 on it. Let's attach the ISO file of it and see if we can upgrade to Windows 10 and if we can save our files. So first thing I'm going to do is just going to be really stupid. That's going to be our number one test, is high on the desktop. And let's go ahead and go into Documents and put high in there. I should have it already auto-mounting. Let's just do Windows E. Yep, it's there. Let's go ahead and run the setup and see what we can do. Yes, make changes. Okay, now we have two options. We can do drivers and all that stuff, but I'm not going to do that. First thing it should do is check to make sure that you have a valid license key installed. If it doesn't find that, you're going to have to enter the code that you hopefully have saved from your old installation CD. But here's the problem. It probably won't recognize it. Now, if you were to do a fresh installation of Windows 10, it would get it without a problem. But here, let's just see if it can go ahead and update, just like it did back in the old days when they were giving it away for free with notifications all over the internet. Well, there you go. Now this is just going to ask if it can spy on you and all that. I think we're going to agree to that, because we can't go forward if we don't. Okay, so now it's going to check to make sure that we're okay and kosher for installing. It's going to check to make sure that the version of Windows works out, that any drivers that are there, if they're compatible with Windows 10 or not, if you have enough storage space to be able to install Windows 10 onto your device. Okay, so there you go. See, it's going to show you. Now you could just click refresh, but just go ahead and click confirm if you want to go ahead and just say, okay, whatever, I'm fine with, the driver's not working. And so now it's going to check to make sure we have enough space. I think that we do. Alright, ready to install. So we'll install Windows 10 Home, which is the license. This is Windows 7 Home license key that's running in this machine here. It's going to upgrade based off of what you have installed. So let's take a look. It says keep personal files and apps. That's great. So any programs you have installed or personal files like the one we created earlier should be there. Let's just go ahead and click install and let it run its course. So there you go. As you can see, it's taking my account and it's going ahead and starting with some basic updates for the computer. But as you can see, this is at least a proof of concept that you can, in fact, save your computer. Alrighty, so here we are after all of this. Kind of similar, if you will, in terms of the Windows 10 setup that you normally would have. I'm just going to go ahead and pick the most logical conclusions that anyone could draw. Let's see if it possibly saved our files in the process. Now, if you run into an issue where you need to free up space on your hard drive in order to install Windows 10, you might lose some files or programs. Here we are. All this time later. Got that done. There's high. Let's take a look. High from Windows 7. Alright, and so there you go. That's proof that you can in fact save Windows 7 even though it's been pronounced dead by Microsoft. Not only could you be able to do it this way, but you could also be able to boot it off of a USB stick or a CD and install it onto a blank hard drive, or a new computer, providing that you still had the rights to the license key to do so. So that's about it. Hopefully it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and Hatty hacking.